Happy New Year! It is time for vision boards and goal planning for 2025. And if you're like me, after starting the put away from Christmas, my house is a little bare, and it's time to set goals for 2025. Of course, Valentine's will soon be going up, but right now, the house is a little bare. I don't like that feeling. After the beautiful decor from Christmas, it's kind of a letdown. If you're with me, you're with me. This amazing vision board collab is hosted by Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me. Please check out her channel and her vision board and everybody in the playlist. This year, I'm switching things up. I want to do more things ahead. I want to do some things DIY-wise that I haven't done in years, including I'd like to do a little embroidery and a little beading that I haven't done, oh my goodness, in 17 years. I want to get that stuff out that I know I've had the stuff to do it, but I haven't done. If you have a craft that you haven't done in ages, but still have that stuff, you understand. That's one thing I do want to do this year. And here is the rest of the things that I have planned for 2020. My vision board is it looks a little different this year, because this year I'm emphasizing more on budgeting. I'm going to do this year, after going through and starting to do my declutter journey last year, I have found I can a lot of things, and I have a lot of things in my pantry, a lot of things in my freezer that needs to go this year. So this year I am doing a low buy or no buy year, which means I am not going to buy at the grocery store unless my pantry and my freezer is empty. And the only exception to that is if there's a collaboration that I need to buy something to make a specific video, such as my cereal collab coming up. I have a Super Bowl video coming up. If I need to buy stuff for a specific video, I will. This year, I'm going to emphasize meal planning. Ooh, excuse me. I'm going to emphasize meal planning and shopping the cabinets and the freezers, and try to empty those freezers out before I do big major shopping hauls. No more going to the meat market. No more Costco runs for things that I already have in my pantry. We've been doing a lot of that. We've been getting things and then already finding that we have them. We're going to shop the pantry, get rid of stuff, clean it out. Use what we have in the pantry and freezer before shopping for groceries, to lower our grocery budget. Clean the pantry and freezer out, and then start anew. That's what we're going to do this year. And also, I am decluttering. I am doing what I call the death declutter. Other words, anything in this house that I don't want people to have to deal with when I die or my husband dies is going to leave this year. We are getting rid of a lot of things. In that, we are having a big yard sale during our community yard sale in June to get rid of massive amount of things. So we don't have as much if anything would happen. We're getting older, and you never know. My health isn't very well anyway. And we are going to also So in that, I'm doing Tiny Tidy Tuesday every Tuesday. But on Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am doing 15-minute declutters. I'm going to show you that 15 minutes a day, you can get through all the stuff in your house and declutter all the different areas in your home, just using up 15 minutes. And I would like to get rid of over 1,000 items by the end of the year. Vacation-wise, me and Thad has decided we either want to go for 3 nights in Hocking Hills or up to Frankenmuth, Michigan. We're not sure which one there, and we want to hit Tennessee. We're not sure whether we want to go to Gatlinburg or Nashville. So if you have idea which place you like best and why, please leave it in the comments. In our budget, we are also going to utilize something we had never done before, and we are going to open up a high yield savings account to help save for at least a 2 months but emergency fund ahead. We do want to do that this year. And my goal is to pay our house off by the end of the year. The thing I would like to do in 2025 is spend a lot more time with my family. And to do that, I definitely have to get the budget more in line, so Thad doesn't have to work so hard. And so he can be home a little more. Okay. One of my big goals this year is to reach 2,000 subscribers. And in doing so, I will be doing Vlogmas next year. And in that, I will be doing 18 no-bake treats. I will also be doing 12 Days of Christmas with my friend Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. And all those videos, I'm trying to get them filmed ahead and future Christmas tablescapes, so I don't have so much. This year, I got sick during the 12 Days of Christmas and Vlogmas because it was a lot to film that many videos in that short period of time. So I do want to work ahead and help me so I'm not so tired. If anybody has ideas of different things that I could do for Vlogmas, anything Christmassy that they'd like to see me do, please let me know.